All right, so all this introductory stuff behind us. So where am I at with Tightener? Because it's all nice and easy to explain what I think I'll be doing, but I'm at the point where I can actually show a proof of concept. So I have Tightener embedded into an InDesign plugin, and I've figured out how to integrate the InDesign DOM as we see it from ExtendScript or VBScript or AppleScript. I have started integrating that into Tickle. So it's nowhere near finished, but I now know the basics. I know exactly how to handle collections, how to handle attributes, how to handle all kinds of things, and essentially made them first-class elements in Tickle. So Tickle will interact like native with InDesign. So there's still a lot of work to be done to actually finish this whole DOM, but the principle works. I can show that it actually works. So Tickle as a language is a first-class citizen. So it's just another language like ExtendScript, like VBScript, or like IDML. It grafts on top of that same InDesign DOM infrastructure that is used by all those other language interpreters. I also have a bridge, so Tickle can call ExtendScript, ExtendScript can call Tickle, so it's essentially just do script, like the same way we integrate ExtendScript with VBScript. It works the same way. And I also have Tightener embedded in the command line app, and from that command line app I can just say like run this Tickle script, and that will interact with InDesign. So it's not very impressive when you see it happen. It's just like, yeah, run script and InDesign does something. It's not very impressive, but behind the screens, a lot is going on. So, and a lot of things had to be figured out in order to make this work. So that's what I'll be showing later on in the demo. I'll also show a little bit of Tickle. So what are the next steps then, now that I have this proof of concept working, which I'll demonstrate in a minute? So first of all, I want to then further fill out that InDesign DOM integration. So there's still a lot of work to be done so that I can do a full-fledged InDesign automation. Then I want to start building gateway apps for networking so that I can actually have Tickle scripts interact with DOMs that are not on the same workstation, but on a different workstation. Once I have those done, I want to integrate Tightener into Python, the scripting language, PHP, and Node.js so that it becomes part of those languages and it's easy to interact with Tightener nodes remotely from those environments. So, and that will lead me to my Jupyter notebooks. So I'll have a Jupyter notebook in which we have a Python script in which where we can start interacting with InDesign from a Jupyter notebook. Once I have that done, that should start working. Then I need to enhance Tickle, so because Tickle is still limited, there's a number of things it doesn't do, and so it'll be a little bit driven by what I need most, so I'll add the features that I need the most, but the nice thing is I have total control over the language, so I can just enhance it as needed. And then once that's done, then I want to tackle the Illustrator DOM, so I can essentially start automating Illustrator very efficiently and also look into covering all those missing DOM areas that right now we can't access from any scripting environment. So I would like to have a complete and usable Illustrator DOM. So that's the next step.